guys, HP Combat Shots here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get out of a pair of handcuffs, normal handcuffs. See that? Nothing different about them. See that? Swing them around. You can't pull them out or anything. Nothing like that. Same with this one. See that? If you put it in, you can't get out. So I'm just going to put them on me and I'm going to turn around. So they should be like no screw hole. So it should be like that. Hit. Right, there's a screw hole. Turn it the opposite way. So yeah, if you ever do this, please do not do this when you are going to get arrested. And I forgot to introduce my sister is the camera girl or whatever you want to call it. So yeah, see that? I stand this right there. There. Oh, it's really tight. Oh, it is. So yeah, all you have to do is, it's nothing. See, I will show you from, wait, not tight enough. Crap. See that I can't. My wrist. So I'm just going to turn around and just do it. I forgot. It's even more harder when the screws are like on the inside. By the way, so hard. I got one. Yeah. My wrists. Look at my wrists. That's so tight I put them on. So yeah, just got out of them and I'm going to show you how I did it. So yeah, when you put them behind, all you need is like something really small, like that, really small, like a lid, like off a pen lid or whatever, like that. See that it needs like something at the top so you can like push it down. So when you do it, if you look in there, there's like, I can't really show you because it's pretty, in there, down in there, if you push it down, it opens it up. So like, if you put it in, now it's closed, yeah, I can't get out or nothing. When I put the, whatever in, pen lids, push it right down, should, wait, I'm doing it wrong, yeah. So look, when I push it down, it should click. See that clicked, and I should just be able to push it out. So yeah, I'm just gonna show it for like what I do. So all you need is like something you stick in the pocket. So I put it right here in this pocket. So I put it on. So yeah, I just turn around. Whilst I turn around, I stick my hand down the pocket with the fingers I'm gonna use, yeah? So like, I'm turning around like this, I'm like, yeah. See that's all hurting. And I'm like this. So when I turn around, I quickly as I can get in my pocket and turn around and I go here. So you turn back around, right? I'm just gonna turn back around. So yeah, you see those holes? Or you see that hole? You can't, I'm so sorry. Alright, there's a hole there for where the key normally goes. So all you need to do is put your, whatever you're using, in the hole. So if it's like a double lock, you need to push it down, then up, and then you should be able to squish out. But if it's much better to use a pin or a safety pin or a bobby pin, whatever you want to call it. But if it's like one lock, you want to push it downwards and then it comes out. So I'll show you this now with one hand. So just make sure you get this properly. See, squish it, push it all the way down, and then it comes on. So yeah, that's how to get out of handcuffs. So yeah, please comment, rate, subscribe, peace.